Okay guys, so it's Sunday. I'm up here at the saddle. Been here thousands of times, and I just love my local trails. That's why it's hard for me to even venture off and go on a field trip to look for some other trails, because it's just so convenient and they're so nice. So do yourself a favor. If you're coming here to ride these local trails, don't stop at the saddle. Try the top and you'll be rewarded. This first part, as you'll see, is a grind, but once you get past this first part, you're fine. And it's not as those guys that watched my video the other day of gravel riding over Dahunga. It's nothing like those unforgiving climbs. This is much more, this is rideable all the way. And this is what I used to do a long time ago when I was younger and more fit, I would say. I would challenge myself to ride here from my house non-stop to the top. So I wouldn't stop at the saddle like I just did. I wouldn't stop before I started climbing up. I would just keep going and going, and the goal was to get all over here from my driveway to the top without getting off my bike. And I've done it on my geared bike, my single speed, and on my gravel bike. Gravel bike was much easier, but the gravel bike wasn't as fun on the descent. Anyway, I haven't done that in a while, and I have no excuse. I'll just say that the only excuse I could think of is I'm not as fit. I have to acquire that fitness by putting in the time, and I do my best. Yeah. Hello, to put in the time on the weekends, but I'm not able to do the weekdays like I used to. Here's the worst part. Okay. Now it'll smooth out and I got to descend. But anyway, I just wanted to point out that never stop. Keep riding, keep pedaling, keep your stamina. And if you don't use it, you'll lose it. I'll leave it at that.